Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add music in Clipchamp. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So there are a couple of methods that you can use to add music. First is if you just click right here on Add Audio. Now you have multiple music options that you can choose from. Clipchamp also has sound effects sections as well. I'm going to choose all content music, then I will go with a pop. Let's add this track. Just click on this plus icon. Now you can adjust the music where you want to start. Second method is, let's say you don't like any music from Clipchamp and you want to add other music that you have downloaded from any other websites. So to add that music, first come to your media, then click on Import Media, select the music that you want to add in Clipchamp, and click on Open. Now drag the music to the timeline and adjust it as you need. That's how you can add music in Clipchamp. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.
I know you told your friends